Hello guys. Um, it's been a while. I hope everyone is doing great out there. It's been a while. I've been quite busy. Finally, I've been able to connect my 12 volts charging system from the Magneto upgrade, and I'm surprised at the voltage that I'm reading right now. And this is a multimeter, and as you can see, that is the voltage. I think that's the voltage that's stored in the capacitor. So before the rectification, this is the rectifier. Before the rectification, I recorded an AC voltage of around 3 when it is idling, and around 6 when you rev it up. But then after the rectification, the voltage seems to be stabilized around 10 volts. Yeah, it's falling because the capacitor is discharging. Yeah, and even if you rev it up, it still maintains a voltage of around 12. Yeah, and when it's idling, it gives a voltage of around 10. And then I have this small LED headlight, and it's able to power it up. But it's daytime, so I can know the intensity. However, it came on and it was working. So at first, because I was reading about 3 volts to 6 volts AC, I thought after the rectification, maybe I might not get much voltage. So I got myself this because my battery, I use the 18650 batteries, about 4 of them, which gives me 60 fully charged. So I was thinking I would be getting around 3 volts, so I had to get this um, how do we call it, boost. Yeah, order for this booster of a sort that can take 3 volts and make it I think 16.8 volts, so I can charge the lithium ion batteries. However, the input of that charger, maximum input voltage is 6 volts, and that I'm reading about 12 volts max. So I don't think I can use it anymore. I don't know the current, but I'm not sure it's so it's much. The current, I'm not sure the current to be much. However, it's able to power the headlight. Yeah, and there is no significant change in performance. When I rev it up, everything was just smooth. So I think the Magneto is great. Is great with the extra wire or extra coil for charging. It's kind of great. So I now need to get maybe a booster that can take the 12 volts and make it 16.8 volts for the lithium ion batteries to be charged. Currently I just can't connect it to it because it's now giving me 12 volts, so it won't really work. It won't be able to charge the batteries. And so far this is what I've discovered. I've been quite busy with work recently, which is why I've been a little silent on my channel. I really apologize. I sincerely apologize. However, I got some nice stuffs coming up, and so if you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe, and do not forget to like this video. I will want to know your comments. I think I will be leaving the link to the product in the comment. Sorry, in the description of the video, so you can check it out if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching, and until I come your way again, stay safe. It's your boy New Hope here once again. Bye bye.